Hey guys, it is that time again. It is Vapebox time. So stick around and we will be right back. Okay guys, it is, as you can tell, the Christmas Vapebox time. I don't know why I hit that, but you know what? It is that time. It is Vapebox time. Now, if you do not know what Vapebox is, it is a monthly subscription service. You have three options. You have the Juice Lovers, the... You know what? We'll get into that in a little bit, and I'll just put the links down in the description. I forget the exact prices. I forgot to pull it up this month for some reason. But, you know what? Let's just hop on down bottom, and we will go ahead and talk about it. Okay, guys. As you see, I have my trusty dusting knife. Now, for some reason, where this is mod month, the mod came separate from the actual vape. I have no idea why it came separate from the box. Who knows? But it came separate. And we got the Vape VX200. I've right now got my dead rabbit on it, and honestly, it looks sexy. Now, you're not able to hardly see the screen. It is a little dark, but you know what? When you're not under these heavy lights, let me turn off my lights. It is very easy to see when you're not under real heavy lights. So outside, it would be a little harder, especially in the summer, but you know, that's something that you just got to deal with sometimes. Because, in all honesty, not all mods are good for all weather. I mean, let's be honest. But we will have a review on that very soon. But, okay, let's go ahead and pop open the vape box. I've never seen them ship like this. I've never seen them ship a mod completely separate from the package. I accidentally opened that thinking it was something they accidentally sent me. So, I was like, oh, I got something different. But this is my vape box this month. I will tell you, I don't like if this is their new box style. I wish they'd go back to the original. But, you know, it could just be for this month being mod month. Oh, this is a lot different. I don't know if, like I said, if this is going to be their normal or not. But I kind of wish they hadn't sent that one. I'm not a big fan of these BLVK unicorn bottles, but you know what? I'll still vape them. I don't like the labeling, but it was decent liquid in October when they sent them out. Then you've got Vapes Gone Wild Strawberry Milk Cake, which I've been interested in Vapes Gone Wild because, for those of you that don't know, our good friend David Gerlitz, he has his made by Vapes Gone Wild. So, I've been very interested in trying some of theirs. And then you've got Tiger's Mouth, or Milk, by Shijin Vapor. Again, that's a 60 ml. I've tried one of theirs before and I liked it. Then you've got the VDRC Lemon Tart by Verdict Vapors. Very nice labeling. I have to give them that. They have very nice labels. And then I believe this is yep, it's a Lost Fog. I thought it was a Cosmic Fog. Moss Fog Neon Cream, which I'm betting you it's more like an orange creamsicle. Ooh, orange raspberry lime sherbet. Now, for this month, let's flip back up top and we will actually discuss the benefits of it. Okay, guys, now that we're back up top, in this box, we received a total of, normally they have it all broke down. They didn't do that this month. But let's see, 60, 180, 210 mils for $60 plus a $50 mod. And it's a special edition Vapebox version, which again you'll see in the review. And this will be all for the month of December. And in all honesty, I think this month was worth it. I'll probably like 90% of these liquids, but I will let you know that when it comes out. And if you want to get one for yourself, don't forget I do have a link down in the description where you can get up to $15 of in-store credit. So, as always, guys, just remember, you gotta fight for your right to vape. Yeah, baby. Talk to you later, guys. Hey, if you like what you've seen here, there's much more to come. Just click one of the two boxes up here in the corner. And you know what? If you've liked it, make sure to subscribe. Just click the little button right there. Talk to you later, guys.